Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you free universal rank player, how to claim reward 12 of Scout Travel feature in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game. Still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this event, Centurions, and jump into the last chapter. This is the Find Centurions. In this chapter, all you have to do is play this scout searching or use scout exchange to earn scout point. So total you can get 200 scout point per day, and you can use your scout point to play this scout travel. As a scout, use scout points to find star players on the journey to achieve the Centurions achievement. As you can see, I already complete 9 times and 9 laps. So one of the reward is reward 12. So this will be it will be random. So it's up to this game how this is like how you can play the dice. So in the reward 12 you can get Jersey Dudek. This is universal rank player. You can use this Jersey Dudek, which can only be used to rank up 80 and 89 OVR players. Let's claim it. Just tap free button and then tap to open, and we got the players. So please free to try. As you can see, if you're completing certain laps, as you can see I already complete 9 laps, you can claim these milestone rewards up to 18 laps. The top reward is 94 OVR Centurions player, tradable. You can sell this player if you do not need him. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. Enjoy the game.